Hi Terry, Shannon Cowart here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Genesis. I've got just a few up front, but I've got another 10 to 15 in the back. So enough to be able to funnel down and get the exact package and color you are looking for. But Terry, I need you to understand the most important thing is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Thank you.